Tower 1 and Tower 2, Tower 3. Altogether we have 7351 room. 7351. That means the 7,351 room is the largest in the world so far. Of course, when it's largest, then the laundry have to be largest enough to handle all the linens, hotel linens for them.
Our passion forest, Genting Highlands, is the first or world's first Wi-Fi rainforest. That means there is Wi-Fi available in the rainforest.
Too bad for you, but you guys are just rejects. Let us show you.
Reptiles and amphibians are a group of animals called herpetofauna. So that's why the activity is called herping. It sounds a little weird, yes. That's because the disease herpes and herpetofauna share the same root word, which is herpetos in Greek, which means to creep. So, but when you look for things at night, you have to make sure that the source of light is coming in between your eyes. So you want to hold your flashlights this way, not like this or like that. Because if you have your source of light in between your eyes, the reflection of the eye shines will go straight back to your eyes and you'll be able to see the eye shine. To look for snakes. Snakes that are out at night are active, they're nocturnal, so they're moving about, so look for motion. Arboreal snakes, meaning snakes that stay on trees, have very bright ventral scales. The ventral side of an animal is the bottom. So most snakes that live on trees are brighter because they're trying to counter camouflage in the sky. If you notice, a lot of marine mammals, fish, and most mammals that exist on, most animals that exist on Earth, they have a lighter belly than their backs. Because that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to counter camouflage in the sky. So that's what you look for snakes, bright ventral scales. For lizards, you want to look for tails. They tend to be sleeping on the edge of a bush and the tails be sticking out. They sleep at the edge of a bush because if a predator were to come at it, climb up the trunk and then up to the branch, they can feel the vibrations and drop off and run away. Yeah. So this is a twin spotted gecko. They are called twin spotted geckos because they have these two spots that go along their body. Very tough creatures that can tolerate a lot of pollution. That's why you find them in certain areas. Hey guys, switch off your lights, guys. Check that out.
Because I carry them myself. Yeah, I carry them myself. One is the birds of Southeast Asia, which covers about 8 countries. The other one I brought is actually birds of Fraser's Hill. Now, why I brought birds of Fraser's Hill? Because they are of the same elevation as Awana. So you find some of the birds that are in Fraser's Hill also available here.